Hi everyone. So today we are going to start with our learning about our pattern 5 sentences in Shirley Grammar. What I want you to do is find your memory folder, pause the video if you need to, get the memory folder, and then turn to the last orange page in your memory folder that and we're going to look at the jingle for the predicate adjective. Okay, you should have that open in front of you. The predicate adjective jingle, this is pattern 5 sentences have predicate adjectives. And we're going to go through what that is, but I want to read through the jingle with you. A predicate adjective is an adjective in the predicate. A predicate adjective modifies the subject word. Predicate adjective is located after the linking verb. To find the predicate adjective, ask what kind of subject. So, pattern 4, we learned about predicate nouns, or the predicate nominatives. Those were nouns in the predicate, which means after the verb, that renamed the subject noun. In pattern 5, we have predicate adjectives. So these are adjectives after the verb that describe the noun. They don't rename it, they describe it just like an adjective does. A predicate adjective doesn't describe any other noun, doesn't describe another noun in the predicate or anything like that. It goes back to the subject noun and describes the subject noun. So in a sentence like, my cat is fuzzy. Okay, so fuzzy is a adjective. You can say fuzzy cat, right? My cat is fuzzy. So fuzzy is a predicate adjective that describes the subject, cat. Okay, now you've learned 5 different noun jobs for nouns. There's subject noun, object of the preposition, indirect object, direct object, and predicate noun. Now we're going to learn about a special kind of adjective, the predicate adjective. Okay, the predicate adjective in Shirley Grammar, we have the pattern 5. What does that look like? So predicate adjective, the pattern 5 sentences, subject noun, linking verb. Predicate adjective is labeled as a PA. So it looks like that. Okay? So that's what the pattern 5 sentence labels look like. And for the predicate adjective, you just label it with the capital PA above the predicate adjective. So, if you have available the pattern 5 reference for the sentence flow, which is uploaded onto the files in Teams, you should be able to take a look at that and follow along. We're going to go through, I'm going to switch to my document camera, and we're going to go through a sentence, and I'm going to go through the sentence flow for pattern 5. All right. Okay, if you have, I'm just going to show right here, this is what it looks like. It's reference 60, the sentence pattern 5. That's what we have up on in the files under Teams. But you can follow along with this. I'm going to just run us through the question and answer flow for a predicate adjective. So, my new pet is wonderful. What is wonderful? Pet, subject noun. What is being said about pet? Pet is, verb. Pet is what? Wonderful. Verify the adjective instead of verb or noun. Verify the adjective. What kind of pet? Wonderful. Predicate adjective. That's a linking verb. Whose pet? Or what kind of pet? New pet, adjective. Whose pet? My pet, possessive pronoun, adjective. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate adjective, pattern 5. Check. Check again, no prepositional phrases. Exclamation point, strong feeling, exclamatory sentence. Go back to the verb, divide your complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in a natural or in inverted order? Natural, no change. All right, make sure you can see all of that. Okay, so we're going to run through some examples. Get out your U5G1 sentences, and we're going to run through some of these. Okay, so our first sentence, a wild rose is very beautiful. What is very beautiful? Rose, subject, noun. What is being said about Rose? Rose is, verb. Rose is what? Beautiful. Verify the adjective. What kind of rose? Beautiful rose. Predicate, adjective, and linking verb. How beautiful? Very beautiful. Very is describing an adjective, so it is a adverb. Good. What kind of rose? Wild rose, adjective, and article, adjective. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, adjective, pattern 5 sentence. Check again, linking verb. There's no prepositional phrases. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Remember, go to the verb. Divide your complete subject from your complete predicate. No adverb exception, and not in inverted order. Okay, here's what I want you to do. This is pretty much the same sentence. It just adds a little bit extra to it. I want you to pause the video and analyze this sentence. See if how much of the sentence and answer flow you can do on your own. So pause the video, go ahead and do that, and then come back. Okay, and we are back. The wild roses behind our house are spectacular. What are spectacular? Roses, subject, noun. What is being said about roses? Roses behind? No. Roses house? No. Roses are. There's your verb. Roses are. There's my verb. Roses are what? Roses are spectacular. What a great adjective that is. Verify the adjective. What kind of roses? Spectacular roses. So that is a predicate adjective, and this is a linking verb. Okay. Behind. Remember from your preposition jingle. Behind is a preposition. Behind what? House. Object of the preposition. Whose house? Our house. Predicate, pronoun, adjective. What kind of roses? They're wild. Adjective. Article, adjective. Okay, so we have subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, adjective, pattern 5. Check. We have prepositional phrase that we need our parentheses around. Period. It's a exclamation point. So it's a exclamation point, strong feeling, exclamatory sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide your complete subject from your complete predicate. No adverb exception, and it's in natural order, so no change. Okay. So hopefully you were able to do most of that on your own. This next one's a little bit shorter. I want you to go ahead and do this one on your own as well. And then, so pause the video and then come back and we'll do it together. Okay. So we have this coat is cozy and warm. Okay. What is cozy and warm? Coat. Subject, noun. What is being said about coat? Coat is. Verb. Coat is what? Cozy and warm. Verify the adjectives. Cozy and warm coat. So these are compound predicate adjective. Compound predicate adjective. And that is a linking verb. And is a conjunction. This, so which coat? This adjective. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate adjective, pattern 5 sentence. Check. There's no prepositional phrases. It's a declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Separate your complete subject from your complete predicate. Okay. So now I want you to pause the video and I want you to go ahead and analyze number 4 and 5 on your own. And then come back and watch. We'll go through this together. So go ahead and pause video and do these two. Okay, and we're back. Those big strawberries were delicious. What were delicious? Strawberries. Subject, noun. What is being said about strawberries? Strawberries were. Verb. Strawberries were what? Delicious. Verify the adjective. We have delicious strawberries. So that is a predicate adjective, and that is a linking verb. What kind of strawberries? Big strawberries. Adjective. Which strawberries? Those strawberries. Adjective. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate adjective, pattern 5. Check that we got our linking verb. There's no prepositional phrases. It's period statement. Declarative sentence. We go back to the verb. Always go back to the verb and divide our complete subject from our complete predicate with no adverb exceptions and no inverted order. And then this one, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and pause the video and do it now and then come back. Otherwise, let's keep moving. The animals were fleet and quick in their escape. Okay, so what were fleet and quick in their escape? Animals. Subject, noun. Well, that's Luna walking by. What is being said about animals? The animals were, so there's your verb. The animals were what? Fleet and quick. So here we have compound predicate adjective, compound predicate adjective, in conjunction. Luna just sat right down to help me out here. Okay, in, it's a preposition. In what? Escape. Object of the preposition. Whose escape? Their escape. Possessive pronoun adjective. And we have the left to do. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate adjective, pattern 5 sentence. Oops, forgot my linking verb. That's why we do a check. And we have a prepositional phrase. Check again. Period statement, declarative sentence. We go back to the verb. Divide our complete subject from our complete predicate. And since it's in, there's no adverb exception and it's in natural order, we're good to go. All right, so there's a quick run through on how we do the pattern 5 sentences. Now, if you look at the back of your sheet, we have practice sentences. This is your homework. So this is not due till Friday evening, so you can do it now or you can do it tomorrow. I think I have it assigned for Friday, but if you want to go ahead and do it now while it's fresh, you may, or you can wait till tomorrow to do it when it's assigned. All right, good luck with it. See you later.